Hey guys, welcome back. If you drive a Volkswagen Touareg and feel like your system is outdated, this upgrade is exactly what you need. This is an Android 13 Multimedia Head Unit, designed specifically for Touareg models from 2010 all the way to 2019. And the first thing you'll notice is how modern everything feels after installing it. You get a smooth, fast system with up to 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, so apps run without any lag. Now let's talk about features. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so your phone connects automatically when you start the car. You can use Google Maps, play music, take calls all directly from the screen. It also comes with built-in GPS navigation, so you don't always need your phone. Another big advantage is that it supports your original car features, including steering wheel controls and even the Dynaudio sound system. Plus, it works with 360-degree cameras, making parking and driving much safer. The system also supports Wi-Fi and 4G, so you can download apps and stream content on the go. And since it's plug and play, installation is simple, although professional installation is always recommended.